How to edit pinned chats on Microsoft Teams app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage and edit pinned chats easy and fast. So first thing, go to Microsoft Teams. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture and choose settings right here. Choose settings and go down and click on messaging option. And here you will find some options. Click on edit pinned chats right here. It's the second option here. Click on it, and now right here you can manage your pinned chats easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.